Ever wondered why strawberries smell so sweet? Or why nail polish remover has that sharp scent? The answer, esters. In this video, you'll learn what esters are, how they're made, how to name them, and where you find them in real life. An ester is a chemical compound with the general formula RC, double bond O R prime, where R comes from a carboxylic acid and R prime comes from an alcohol. Let's name them. Esters are named in two parts. First, the alkyl group from the alcohol, then the acid part ending in -ate, like methyl ethanoate, ethyl propanoate, and so on. The most common way to make esters is the Fischer esterification. The carboxylic acid reacts with an alcohol, using an acid catalyst like sulfuric acid and a bit of heat. What if we go backwards? That's called hydrolysis. The ester reacts with water and breaks down into its acid and alcohol. In alkaline hydrolysis, or saponification, the ester reacts with a strong base like sodium hydroxide to give a salt and an alcohol. This reaction is used to make soap. Fats are natural esters. When they're boiled with base, we get soap and glycerol, exactly how soap was traditionally made. Esters are everywhere, in perfumes, fruit flavors, solvents like ethyl acetate, and even drugs like aspirin. They're practical and pleasant. Recap time. Esters are compounds with a C double bond O, single bond O group. We name them from their alcohol and acid parts. Fischer esterification is how we make them. Hydrolysis breaks them apart, and they're super useful. Pop quiz. What do you need for Fischer esterification? A. Acid plus water. B. Acid plus alcohol plus catalyst. Or C. Ester plus base. It's B. An acid, an alcohol, and an acid catalyst like H2SO4. That's how esters are born. How do you name esters according to IUPAC rules? A. Acid name first, then alcohol name. B. Alcohol name first, then acid name ending with -ate. C. Alcohol name only. D. Acid name only. The correct answer is B. Alcohol name first, then acid name ending with -ate. Esters aren't just chemical formulas. They're the reason your fruit smells sweet, your soap gets you clean, and your medicine works. From the lab to your daily life, esters are a perfect mix of function and fragrance. Ready to quiz yourself with the content covered in this video? Check out the link in the description where you'll find Quizlet content made just for you.